Okay, so we left a shark mop, steam mop, on our polyurethane wood floors. Sorry about the shadow. It's nighttime, but I read online that a hot a hot iron and a tea towel might fix it. It's worth a try, and this is ironically a shark iron. The shark mop was the thing that left the white milky mark on my hardwood floor. I'm going to give this a try and see if it can.
There's the mark right there on the floor.
Okay, so I have a hot iron set on the no steam setting, but it's turned up pretty hot. And I have a tea towel. Just try it. I'm gonna keep it moving. I'm not on the camera, am I?
Just elbow.
Okay. See, is it making any difference? A little bit better? Is it going away?
Yep, a little bit.
It's still here, right?
Yep, exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Your light is the best.
Yeah, the light helps it show up. I don't know how anyone lives without a headlight. It's such a good life hack to have a headlamp. Okay, I'll leave it on too long. Still some white.
Yep, still there.
Right here.
Yep.
Right here.
Yep.
Okay. So, right there. Right there. Okay. So I have a double thickness of this tea towel. Let's keep moving around. I'm gonna get it. Still a little.
Still a little bit.
Yeah. Sorry. Right there. Okay. You can speed up the video. Better? Better, right?
Practically all gone.
Okay. A little bit here.
You know, this is genius because we tried in hairdryer.
Yeah.
Didn't work at all.
Yeah, that didn't do the trick.
I don't see it at all.
All right.
Nice job.